This is a quick video to show you how the fine wireless mic performs on my DSLR. So before you go into the video, if you're here just to see this, it's a quick look at what it basically sounds like to save you watching the whole video. So I'm right now between two main roads and there's a lot of traffic here. So I want to see how this actually performs in this scenario. I've got a few further videos further in towards the timestamp, which you can check in the description. Keep an eye out for that, and those are going to be more videos to show you how to use the headset and what it sounds like in a quiet situation. Okay, so right now we're recording with a dead cat on the mic. Just to confirm, this does not come with the fine microphone. It's something I'm using to check if you can hear the wind noise, because on my phone that you do get with the fine, I'm assuming that a lot of wind noise will come through. But right now I've got this on the fine mic and we're recording directly into the camcorder, and I'll do a little walk on top of this hill so you can see how it sounds with wind, because a lot of these cars going past are making a lot of wind noise, and this gives you an idea of how far I am away from the camera. So right now I'm maybe 55 feet away. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you the distance that this can perform up to. So I'm on a bike, so I'm going to ride away from the camera and keep speaking, and I'm going to give you an idea of how far we can get before noise or the signal does not get back to the camera. So what I'm testing right now is the fine microphone, wireless, plugged into a camcorder, and I'm using this microphone which has a dead cat on this, so it should reduce noise. So now I'm about 100 feet away from the camera. See me zoomed in, and then I'll zoom out and then come back. So there's cars crossing the path at the moment, so I'm assuming that will affect going back to the camcorder. But really, in this situation, I wouldn't really be this far away from the camera, but let's see what we got. So here we go, riding away, and this is how far I was, and I've got a bit of wind coming towards me, and there you go.